Chop top, me escape from prison like Chapo. Money off it pop up, big G-Wagon all.
Wagwan, it's about AJ. We're back in the building with another episode. But before we get into anything, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to another banger review, another banger update. Now nation, now we can see we have Vybz Kartel released a new song, a new banger called Hype Life. Vybz Kartel singing about his whole life since being released from jail. Now let me know what you guys think about this song in the comment box. What you guys think about this new song called Hype Life? Have you guys listened to this song as yet? Let me know what I go on.
Guapi jeans and no pack up. Pussy them woulda still want see me lock up. So
that's true where Red Boss are talk about. Them never want to see him get free out of jail. Them do want to see him get locked up. You see me I say. And as me say, Vybz Kartel sing about his real life story. Even when Vybz Kartel mentioned Guapo. So it's a new brand new Vybz Kartel endorse. Let me know what you guys think about this song.
Go by embassy the Monday, tell them sell me them out the fees I not run yet.
That song remind me of old Vybz Kartel, fully lyrically. Vybz Kartel let them know say them never want him to be free. So as him come out of jail, him just go by embassy and tell him say, yo, I want to go on to visa, how you not run it?
Then me fly out in the sun, the whole industry nervous like a slave on him a runway.
Vybz Kartel say when him get him visa, the whole industry get nervous like a slave around it. Dog I say right now when them realize him get him visa, them know see how money I go make. Vybz Kartel gone and him now come back to Jamaica. You see me I say all thing dog come back for Jamaica for a reggae sound festival, maybe Freedom Street. Let me know what you guys think about that.
When me live you can't come there. You see big house and think of me, but I'm a son them. 2 mil budget and my bank account.
Vybz Kartel let them know say a hype life this. Them see big house and them think of him house, but of him son them. So when you see him 1-2 house, I don't feel him them. He not live the stuff. Him son them. So if you pull up the stuff, look for him not do the stuff. So Vybz Kartel make haters them know say that where him live them can't come there.
Budget. Me a live off a $50 million budget. Hype life this, ice like fridge.
The first time when me hear that song, me I say, yo, when me hear Vybz Kartel say I live off a $50 million budget, me know say a Jamaican dollar matter, me know say a USD. Me I say Vybz Kartel make them know say a theme time now. That's why I'm happy about 18 watch. Weed and grab a throat him day, him high like frig. Let me know what you guys think about this.
Weed and grab a man, high like bridge. 18 watch cause of my time this. Ref them gap.
Me think this song is just a warm up for you here. Let me know what you guys think about this song. What you guys think about Vybz Kartel's new upcoming album?
You feel me fall, me a pray for me rise. That means said the whole of we a pray for me life. See them loyal, me make shim.
Vybz Kartel let all his haters know say while them a pray for him fall, them a pray for him life. So everybody a pray for him by end of the day.
Anything me see it and me want it, me buy it. Why it bun them? That I'm at the pussy them. Me a go cap a jet, cut the wings and drive it.
Vybz Kartel let them know say anything him see it and he want it, him a go buy it, and that a mad them cause them no want him can afford anything him want, you see me? He dogs the next thing I do him I buy a jet and just drive it, but a fly have a flight dog, you can't drive. But wait, flying and driving a jet will be the same thing, so let me know what you guys think about this in the comment box.
Hype life this, ice like fridge. Weed and grab a man, high like bridge. 18 watch.
This is a very good song, but me know Vybz Kartel can do better than this. As me say, it's a new beginning I hear, so maybe it's just a warm up for what is to come. As well, Vybz Kartel say him have an album I drop next month, so me don't see a reason why Vybz Kartel will be dropping a lot of bangers right now. Even though Vybz Kartel always an artist that drop like 4 to 5 tracks a day. Let me know what you guys think about this song. Me like a song, Hype Life, big song. You see me I say Vybz Kartel sing about him whole life, everything with him do, cause Vybz Kartel buy some car and house and thing in a Jamaica and both the US, and got a lot of people speculating and talk about what Vybz Kartel do, cause Vybz Kartel spend a couple million US for sure. Let me know what you guys think about this.
But said the Monday, tell them sell me them out the fees I not run yet. Then me fly out in the sun, the whole industry nervous like a slave on it.
To see that Vybz Kartel is almost 51 years old and still dropping lyrical banger like this, it's amazing to see that our dancehall artists are still capable lyrically. As what Cargo would say, you better to get a 1.5 or a 1.3 mil for a show than getting a $700 to $800 Grammy award. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment box, because we see where this spark a big controversy in dancehall, where some people saying that Vybz Kartel cannot win a Grammy, where Cargo stating that it better to get 1.5 to 1.3 mil a show than getting a $700 to $800 Grammy.
Me know, but listen to me. Me know don't run with the good part. Them listen to me. Kartel is getting the best part of music, the part when you reward. You don't know what is the reward? 1.5 million a show, 2 million a show, 1.3. That is more powerful than any amount of Grammy. Listen to me. One Cartel show is 6 months wages of when you take Shqke and Sean Paul them out of it. A 6 month wages that for everybody else. We are do music. We are get show. So listen to me. Who would you pick One Cartel show right now? If me get One Cartel show right now, me guarantee tell you say, anyway Mr. Adams then me a find him and give him 1 year as and go spend 3 months in a man cell. The way me happy. And that me I try to tell you. So there's nothing beat award, reward. Mankind can keep the award. But guess what? As a youth with Sparta come from out of Garrison Master. Just like what Shqke that tell us, say, he use the Grammy them catching door. You hear? So I don't want you to start and make you look like say boy. Me sit down and I look for her say. Me that sell Cartel one Grammy right now. If you want 1.5 million since it means so much to him. Listen to me. If the Grammy means so much to the Gaza fans them, listen to me. I would have got tell Beanie Man say, listen to me. Listen. And me I tell you. Me I sell Cartel this on the black market. That me I tell you. Take off your name and fight. And me I sell him for 1.3. And give 150,000 out of it. Because this mean more to him than you right now. Listen to me. If I ever get for Beanie Man, me a borrowing Grammy or TV. Just because Angel not tell me which party Heidi when we did good. Yes, me that thief that I carry go sell Cartel long time. I tell you, if the Grammy means so much to the Gaza fans, I would have befriend Angel the right way and make him tell me away king hiding Grammy. Because that Grammy need to be steal and sold. That Grammy need to be theft and sells. One Cartel show. Me I say, listen to me. Cartel. You see that England show there? See me name here. Make them put all our revenue in my hands. See Beanie grab here. That are going to make you be the reigning king forever. You understand? Listen to me. A Cartel money me want. Who busy about the Grammy? If I have to choose right now between Beanie and Shqke and Sean Paul 3 Grammy and one Cartel show, Cartel Reggae Land show, I would have take the 3 of them Grammy can go give Cartel and say, give me every dollar what you make over Reggae Land. And listen to me, as long as me live, you will never see me back past social media. The way how me dig down myself in a one little spot of a sentan and hide from the world. Listen to me. Me no want no cable, no light, 100% caveman me gang turn. Uno come on. Listen to me, man. Jesus, God. Sometimes I tell you so. Have you no want it, you know, and want it, can't get it. You know how me there look for that say, boy, me can't wait for God bump off my career, make me start make all 100,000 show. And me sit down and I worry myself about happy. $800 if make one Grammy. $800, they say. 800 allegedly, they say. After they rub it down with piece of aluminum and just tape on piece of gold plated over it. That is it. Eh? That's how me I try to tell you. Some other road. God. God. Bless up on yourself, yeah, man. You don't worry about the rag set at thing. You don't be there with some ass good money off a 2 show. Right, I know you come and worry about piece of iron. Who want iron? Money me want. You understand? Money. One can come back all up in America, they come buy one Ross house in front of a waterway. When me can get up and I throw off all of my hook. All at night time. I catch fish. Yes, man, go suck with yourself here, man. Money we want. And cartel I make money. Go suck with yourself. Right now, if you know how me wish, I did me a blood clot cartel friend, I never dirty teeth, nothing. Listen to me. The amount of Uno right now, we wish. I did Uno, what name? Mad Puss. The amount of Uno right now, we're jealous over Mad Puss. Uno make a sad ass mistake. We see all Mad Puss sit down all party fix. Sit down like him an artist, comfortable. He don't have a care in the world because he knows say he have no rent to pay, no wife to obey. All him have to do is just make sure say cartel Doberman don't stray. Listen to me. You know we should have jumped off of the life a long time. Because Mad Puss. Mad Puss sit down so comfortable. No rent to pay. No wife to obey. All him have to do is make sure say he teach a Doberman don't stray. Alright. Listen to me. That is I know Mad Puss in him. You think I did Mad Puss? How you mean? Listen to me. Every human being want good friend. The reason why enough of we don't reach nowhere is because we don't have no friend like Sean Storm and we don't have no friend like Mad Puss. You understand? We don't have that type of friend. They don't. Listen, we might Mad Sus, yeah. We might talk so other way because, listen to me, all we jealous and bad mind, you know. Here's that a man pan it up. Where sometimes bad mind will take you over here. God. Sometimes when you hear someone we attack, you can't just say, I envy attack, man. Can you remember Mad Puss I live better than me and you? I always want to Mad Puss I live better than all artists we are tour. And he don't have a song. Mad Puss I live rapper life. A rapper life he dog I live. You understand? So I just say go. So me I jump off I live now. And you know have a nice day. See you guys later. Eat small and live long ghetto youths. Listen what me I say. And don't fight against nobody. Run your joke them and Jamaicans, you know, take things too serious. And always remember again, anytime it come on to artists, you know, just need for just chill. Just chill and understand, say, I just see we work. You see, because this thing is a social media thing, and if you come on the internet and say, I will lift up my eyes unto the hills, nobody don't look to it. That is the reason why we see we get out of the box sometime and we say some things. We don't mean nobody no harm. You understand? So that a code, it is called entertainment. You understand? And listen to me. I don't want to think Cargo is not the Gaza favorite app. You understand? Cargo is the only enemy where the Gaza people them can't stand, but they have to listen to him. And the only thing the Gaza people them can do is that Cargo go suck your mama, man, and leave we alone. You understand? So we love you guys. Don't take things too serious. And Gaza people, please, you know, buy the man album. Make it too big to rig. And Cargonians, please go and pre-order Cargo Window Pane album. And make we show them say Cargo have one of the most seriousest fan base. We not talk about no streaming. We are talking about raw download. So Mother Road, the album is called Window Pane. You see person who put up the album just called me a while ago, so I have to go get off and see if he might have some troubleshoot for the why we not get the other link. Then we can find it on iTunes and Amazon. So love you guys. And Jamaicans, listen to me. I have one thing to say to you. We all need everybody. We all need everyone. It don't matter who is we favorite. We all need everyone. All of us need everyone. See? And listen to me again. You don't know who your blessing is tied to. This is how God make man. Blessing is a chain reaction. So the man where you get up and a fight, you don't know say him for your blessing tied to. The man who start to make them send you go down a man to go be you go fire shot in at him because them have a disagreement. Yo, him did fi become the next prime minister for Jamaica and change Jamaica. So listen to me. Just take it from me. Me understand say me is a man cut out a different cloth from you guys, and me is a man who stay upon the narrow road. Not perfect, but me stay upon the narrow road, and me don't like hypocrites. Me know say 10 years from now, I go come back and say, dog, you know what Cargo did? I said, dog, I shoot him attack, you know. But me never in the shape of the frame of mind to accept that right now. Me understand. But listen to me. I will never tell you a lie. Me will run a joke. That's me. You understand? So, love you guys. I'll see you guys later.
Chopped up, me escape from prison like chopper. Money off it pop up.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say, me appreciate you all. You know what I mean. Until next time, guys, we out.